Patty melt recipe. For the patty, 1 pound ground beef, 1/2 onion, finely chopped, 1 clove garlic, minced, salt and pepper to taste. For the sandwich, 8 slices of rye bread or any other bread of your choice. For slices of Swiss cheese, for tablespoons butter, 1/2 onion, thinly sliced. For tablespoons Thousand Island dressing. 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground beef, finely chopped onion, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Form this mixture into 4 patties. 2. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the beef patties to your desired doneness, usually about 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium. 3. While the patties are cooking, in a separate skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add the thinly sliced onions and cook until they become soft and caramelized, which will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Set them aside. 4. When the patties are almost done, place a slice of Swiss cheese on each patty and allow it to melt. 5. Butter one side of each slice of rye bread. On the other side of 4 of the slices, spread a tablespoon of Thousand Island dressing. 6. Place a patty with the melted cheese on one of the dressed slices, then add a portion of the caramelized onions on top. Top it with another slice of bread, buttered side up. 7. Heat a skillet over medium heat and place the sandwiches in it. Cook until the bread is toasted and the cheese is fully melted. About 2 to 3 minutes per side. 8. Serve your homemade patty melts hot and enjoy. Feel free to customize your patty melt with additional toppings like pickles, lettuce, or tomatoes if you like.